Hi everyone, the Hobbyist of Vlogs here, and today we will be exploring and unboxing this enormous product right here. So in case you're wondering, this is the DJI Power 2000, and this is one of the craziest and insane power station that DJI has ever built. So I know DJI is not popular for power stations, they are more popular on cameras like DJI Pocket 3, 4, just like what I've been using to record this video, the 360 that I have. I have a drone, so I think DJI is most likely part of my life already. But they are not really popular when it comes to power station. And the reason why I purchased this product right here is because here in the Luzon, on started like May 2026, right, the current month right now, we're experiencing a power crisis and we are having rotational blackouts or power outages for about 2-3 hours depending on your location. And this is necessary because I work at home and also I have a kid that needs ventilation during the night, especially during the day when the temperature during the summer is extremely high. So enough explaining about everything about me. So now let's explore what's inside. So let's open this together. So as you know, I've been working as a software developer here in the Philippines, although my office in Canada, and sometimes it is really difficult for us to explain to our clients that we have this kind of power outages because unlike them, they have nuclear power plants where they have more reliable power sources. I could be wrong though, but yeah, I think it's not always good to explain to your client or to your boss that, hey boss, we have power outages. I can't work today. So I think most of the home base, or for those who work from home, this kind of product makes more sense. So I'm opening the box right now. I'm pretty excited. So I haven't seen this product personally myself or in any physical store. I haven't seen it yet because, as I mentioned, EcoFlow is my first choice. Second is Blue Yeti. Unfortunately, there's a very high demand right now in those products. There's out of stock, or it is currently out of stock on physical stores, even online. So you have to wait for 60 days. And I've seen this shop in Lazada, so I'll put it on the description. And I ordered it to them, and I just waited for a week, I think, or less, and then this product arrived. So you have the quick start guide. It's what's in the box. You have the silica gel for moisture, to avoid moisture. Styrofoam right here. So I'll put it here. So, woo, let's see. It's really heavy. I think it's around 25 kilograms. This thing is gigantic. So there's no more left in the box. And you have this small box right here. What's inside this small box? So I think this is the adapter. Oh, you have multiple adapters. Oh, I see. Oh, you already have this adapters? The funny thing is, I actually bought the universal adapter from DIY or from the hardware earlier because I don't have this kind of Australian outlet or adapter. Wow, I'm surprised. And there's three of it? That's crazy. Actually, four. That's actually crazy. You have four adapters because this has four ports or AC ports. So, can I open this? Let's open this. Let's remove it from the plastic. You have foams to secure it from damages. You should see if there's any scratches. Okay. And then let's remove it from the plastic itself. Guys, this product is really heavy. So I open it backwards. Yeah, it's really heavy. Yeah. So you have awesome logo at the back of it. You have this sticker right here, so I won't remove it. I haven't tried it yet. I believe this is the UPS or AC mode. You can open the AC, and this is the power button, right? I think you will have to load it. So the sound of it when you boot it up is really familiar. If you have a DJI drone, it has the same tone. So you can also open the AC, right? Yeah, now if you open the AC, now it will activate these ports right here. So it has USB-C, 4 USB-C ports. You have USB 3.0 ports, 4 USB 3.0 ports. And what is this? I'm not sure what it is. So, but anyway, this is for the AC port for charging the, this power station itself. And this is the two SDC ports for your solar panels. So again, the capacity of this product itself is 2048 watt hours. And I think this is around 25 kilograms. I can compare it to one sack of rice, 25 kilo sack of rice here in the Philippines. So anyway, it looks premium. It looks really nice. The plastic of it, the material of it is really familiar. It is not really that smooth, just like the texture of your drone or any DJI products. It has that kind of DNA on it. Now, I think I love the logo. As you can see, I'm having difficulty lifting this up. It's pretty heavy. So the DJI logo, which is I like the most, and it's pretty much I like it. So it's time to test, or it's time to put this product into test. So let me get a kettle. I think that's around 1000 watt. And then let's test and to boil certain amount of water. So I did get a kettle, electric kettle, and I'll put it on the AC port. So I have to use their port like this. I think my AC port is already has the Australian orientation or China orientation, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see if that will work. And let's power this on. Ooh, it's around 1723 watts in terms of output. So this kettle right here is drawing a lot of power. So as you can see, my battery or the charge of this thing is 53%, and this kettle right here is just half full. And I'm just trying to be realistic here. I'm putting myself in the situation where I'm doing some camping or having some power outages, and I wanted to get some coffee. And let's wait how many minutes this kettle will boil that water, and on specific which percentage we will be ending up. Actually, that's nice. If you will be running this kettle full time, there's a timer here and telling you how many minutes this power station will last. In this case, it says 33 minutes. So there's no input wattage because we don't have any solar installed. We just have output, right? So I think this DJI power station is doing a really great job on powering a 1700 watt electric kettle. So let's wait for it to boil, and the AC is working. Actually, let me just try one more thing. It's been a minute already, and from 53 we did go down to 50%, but this kettle is already hot and it is almost on the boiling point. So for you to be able to boil the water half full of this electric kettle or 1700 watt kettle, it should take you like 2 to 3 minutes, I guess, and it will approximately consume 3-4% of your battery power or battery charge from your power station. Again, this if you will be running an electric fan, I think, so I sorry about this, but I will get a very dirty electric fan right here. And this power station can actually power up to 3,000 watts, or can handle output up to 3,000 watts. So, sorry, we have a fan here. Also, I'm just trying to be realistic here. Sorry, this fan is actually dirty. It came from uh, the storage. So we'll see if this can actually power an electric fan. So it can power up an AC and together. So this electric fan is actually drawing um, 42 watts. I can also power this on, and as you can see, it adds up. So this power station is doing a really great job for me. I think this is more than enough for me if I will be just powering a home Wi-Fi modem, charging my laptop, and everything else. Actually, this also has an app on it. I won't be able to explore it right now because the focus of this video is for me to explore how good this product is. Putting some load on this product, I can really smell the burning smell, and you don't really have to be really concerned in terms of that smell. That is because the fan is working. I think the product or the power station is working really hard, and this is brand new, right? Um, I can smell the burning plastic. I think the coating is starting to burn out on initial usage of this product, and you don't really have to be concerned yourself. Don't be afraid this will not explode or what. There's a lot of safety features inside it. And for me, just like I think that smell is really familiar. The first time we purchased our oven, and we the first time that we like turn it on, I think this smell is what this smell is uh, somewhat the same. So again, you don't really have to be scared. It's normal. You don't have to return the item immediately, because if it will be failing, it will show signs, or maybe like extreme heat coming out, or it will shut down. Because I believe DJI has a lot of safety feature on their products. So basically, this video is really simple on unboxing this specific product. So basically, that is it for our unboxing and a little bit of overview and a small review about this product. So I tested this, loading it up with 1,800 watts of output, and I think it did a great job. So I will not try maximize the 3,000 watts, because that's not realistic for me, since I will be just using this for home use, for emergency use, and maybe for some camping if we will be having or if I will be going out and camping with my family. So what do you think? Is this product for you or ideal for you? Check the link on this video. If you wanted to watch more videos like this, like reviews on specific tech, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.